Hello friends, today I will give you new topics which is related to TLB. The main purpose of how you can find out effective access time in paging system, paging scheme if TLB ratio has given. So we can solve using this formula. Formula is effective access time equal to heat ratio of TLB into access time of TLB plus access time of main memory plus miss ratio of TLB into access time of TLB plus number of level of page table plus 1 into access time of main memory. But one condition is there, question should be mentioned there are no page fault in these questions. Consider a single level page scheme with a TLB. Assume no page fault occurs. It takes 100 nanoseconds to access the physical memory. If TLB heat ratio is 60% and effective memory access time is 130 nanoseconds, then find out TLB access time. Now, how to solve these questions, this type questions? First, find out in given questions, number 1, level, paging level. In this question is given single level equal to 1, 2 level equal to 2, 3 level equal to 3. It's a represent in formula L. L equal to 1, other by 2, other by 3. Second, TLB access time. In this question, we can find out TLB access time. TLB access time has not given here. Now, third, main memory access time, which is already given in these questions. Main memory, physical memory, it's represent physical memory. And fourth, TLB heat ratio. It means in these questions is given in percentage. And then we can find out miss TLB heat ratio from TLB heat ratio. It means miss TLB heat ratio equal to 1 minus TLB heat ratio. In given question, number of level of paging table, it means page table L equal to 1 because question has already given single level paging scheme. So we can write now here L equal to 1. TLB access time we can find out, not given in this question. Find out TLB access time. Third, effective memory access time is given 160 nanosecond and TLB heat ratio also given 60%, it means 0.6 nanosecond. So we can find out miss TLB heat ratio equal to 1 minus TLB heat ratio equal to 1 minus 0.6 equal to 0.4. Calculating effective access time equal to heat ratio of TLB into access time of TLB plus access time of main memory plus miss ratio of TLB into access time of TLB plus L plus 1 into access time of main memory. Let TLB access time equal to T nanosecond. Substitute value in the above formula, we get effective access time means 160 nanosecond equal to 0.6 into T nanosecond plus 100 nanosecond parenthesis close plus 0.4 into T nanosecond plus 1 because single level paging into 100. It means 160 nanosecond equal to 0.6 into T nanosecond plus 100 nanosecond plus 0.4 into T nanosecond plus 200 nanosecond. It means 160 nanosecond equal to 0.6t nanosecond plus 60 nanosecond plus 0.4 t nanosecond plus 80 nanosecond. It means 0.6 t nanosecond plus 0.4 t nanosecond equal to 160 nanosecond minus 60 nanosecond minus 80 nanosecond equal to t nanosecond equal to 20 nanosecond. It means t equal to 20, thus TLB access time equal to 20 nanosecond. Answer.